Dear students, in this question, we are dealing with two cases. In the first case, you can see a certain sum of money at a certain rate of simple interest. This money, it doubles in 5 years. So the money doubles in 5 years means what? P, it grows and becomes 2P, right? Which means the simple interest in this case, it is equal to P. Did you get my point? Listen carefully. 100 rupees. It grows and becomes 200 rupees. It becomes double, right? It gets doubled, right? So 100 grows and becomes 200. It means that the simple interest received in this case, it is equal to how much? It is equal to amount minus principal. The simple interest is P itself, that is equal to 100, right? So likewise, in the second case, it is given this money, it triples itself. It becomes 3 times itself in 12 years. So P, it grows and becomes 3P. So you can see that here the simple interest will be how much? It is equal to 2P. Got it? That is 3P minus P, that is equal to 2P. So let us analyze this case like this. Case 1. Let the principal amount be P, number of years under consideration, it is equal to 5, and let the rate of interest be R1. So in this first case, the simple interest, this is equal to principal itself because the money doubles in 5 years, right? So the simple interest, that is P itself, that is equal to P into number of years 5 into rate of interest R1 PNR by 100. So we can see that P and P get cancelled off, and now we are getting R1 is equal to 100 upon 5, and that is equal to 20%. So this is for the first case. Okay. Now let us discuss the second case. Case 2. We have principal amount that is equal to P. You can see that at a different rate of simple interest, this money becomes 3 times in 12 years. So the number of years under consideration, it is equal to 12. The rate of interest, let it be R2. And we can see that the money triples itself, right? So money triples itself means what? The simple interest amount, it is equal to 2P, right? So 2P, the simple interest is equal to P into number of years 12 into rate of interest R2 PNR by 100. All right. So here also we can see P will get cancelled off, and thus we are getting R2, that is equal to 200 divided by 12. Definitely, you know that 200 by 12 is less than 20%, because had the denominator been 10, then it would have been 20%, but the denominator, it is equal to 12. So denominator is more, so the value should be less than 20%. Thus, we can see that for the first case, we have rate of interest 20%. For the second case, we have rate of interest which is less than 20%. We just need to compare R1 and R2, that's all. So we can see that in the question it is asked, the better rate of interest is seen in which case? That is the question. We can see that in the first case, we see a better rate of interest which is equal to 20%. So option A, case 1, that is the answer for our question. All right.